Welcome to the Sonance Studio in San Clemente, California. Come on in and enjoy the experience. So what we're looking at in here is the full Lutron Ketra lighting experience. Inside of this space, we have numerous layers of lighting, going from pendants to ceiling downlights, linear lighting inside cabinets, underneath shelving, and even the cool Sonance sign that we have up here. So what we're looking at now is full brightness, so it's an extremely bright room. And what we're going to go through is the different layers that we have and the ability to smooth dim down and getting that 0.1 dimming performance from Ketra. The other nice thing about Ketra is that you do also get that full RGB color experience as well, which is what's really going to transform things and give you a different look. So we're going to start our show here, and we're going to get that ambiance in your nighttime relaxing setting. So your shades are going to go down, your lights are going to dim, and we're going to come down to about a 20% dimming experience. And we'll see this slow glow that we get here. It's not a harsh jump to a certain percentage, and it really makes you feel relaxed. Now, if we step forward one more layer, we're now going to bring the other lights down, but give you this pop here on your pendant lights. So it really focuses on the island. If you're hanging out with friends, you can hang out here, but not have bright lights all around you. This here is a little bit whiter color that we're going to see from the pendants. And then if we move forward now, we're going to see that little pop of color that comes into that Ketra light, which is actually warming the light down to your 1800 Kelvin level, which is a very soft glow. So this experience here is really nothing you'll get unless you choose Ketra lighting because of the performance and the color options that you have inside of here. It's really an amazing feature and the ability to really transform your space and have that amazing living environment. So then we'll end our lighting experience. We'll bring the lighting back up, and now this is your daytime light that you would have in your house. And then as you would move throughout your day, you'll get that ambiance. All of these things can be done with small Pico lights. So we can have this Pico remote control on your counter. We can have them on your wall with a Lutron Palladium keypad where you can initiate your scenes. And if you want, you can also do this from your Lutron mobile app. So there's numerous options to make this happen, and it's all done by the Lutron experience where you get the Ketra lighting, the shading, and tying it all together as one amazing experience.